Okay, good evening everyone. In this part of session, we have Rasya Carlos becoming our participant at Bimbel Masuk Poltekbar for interviewing session simulation SBM Poltekbar 2025. So, we have several of role. In the first one, you can using English for answering these questions. And the second one is about the time limit to have 5-10 minutes to interview and 10 minutes to giving feedback. So in the first one of all question, it was usually and common using is about introducing yourself. So please introducing yourself first, Rasha.
Alright, good night everyone. My name is Rasya Karosta Barisanjo and you can call me Rasya or Carlos. And my birthday on 14 April and so I'm just turned on 18 years old for 4 days ago. And my address at Jalan Gria Gundala Aliandong, probably at West Java, Depok, Jawa Barat. And my major high school, the name SMKN to Depok. And my hobby, I really little bit play basketball and lovely baking.
Mm.
And yep, that's
Okay,
it.
that's all. Okay, thank you, Rasha, for introducing yourself. So for next question, it's about the knowledge, especially you from a vocational school. So what the major you took at the vocational school, Rasha?
My major is culinary.
Oh,
Culinary.
culinary art. So it was relatable. So let's we move to the next question. It's about the tourism, Russia. So, what did you know about tourism, Russia?
About the tourism, I'm still learning from that, but uh, the the know I'm about the know I really about the know I know about the tourism is like when you vacation at
Hmm.
the location, it's like tourism vacation and touring or something you have fun, it's tourism.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Russia. I can understand. Okay. So for next question, it's about the um reason. Yeah, about your reason why you take again, especially at the tourism field, and Poltek Parayan High, and is your major at patisserie or culinary
Yeah,
art.
the reason I choose especially pastry,
Mm-hmm.
I really don't know why I choose, but maybe it's my heart like to choose that, but I really have little bit experience the pastry because the the last time I training uh, on pastry at Crystal Hotel probably,
Mm-hmm.
and I really got so much experience. It's like so fun at there, and like I'm thinking like I wanna continue again the pastry because especially fun.
Okay. So its next question is about the experience, Rasya, because you said before you has been taking some training, yeah, from your vocational school at Crystal Hotel. So could you give me several of example or several experience, yeah, at the Crystal Hotel? You training 6 months or 4 months?
6 months.
Okay, 6 months. So please tell me about your experience at Crystal Hotel.
All right. My experience on the pastry probably uh have to, but and in the crystal it's training,
Mm-hmm.
and the second it's I'm Dewe at Union. The name as Union.
Mm-hmm. Daily
So
worker. Mm.
yeah, field worker. So let me explain for the crystal hotel. Let me for the crystal hotel first.
Mm.
For the crystal, my experience is just like you are kid like um your kid. No. It's just like you're how do I explain, bro?
What
I
what
don't
what 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 the name?
oh, sorry, hold
No,
on.
no, no. I will give you if I will give the help if you can explain it.
All right, but like apa sih kak disuruh-suruh tuh kayak
Oh, terus.
yeah,
Give the text from our
oh
senior.
yeah, like when
Dikasih
you
tugas.
when you when you training, it's just like you just you should don't have the task, not really
Uh,
like worker, but the
mm-mm.
even like when you daily worker,
Oh yeah, yeah,
uh, when you daily worker, it's like at the first time you must adjust like all right the first one you must you must this and the and the next day you must like apa, ingat
Remember,
you must
remember.
you must
Uh,
remember and you cannot ask too much but
mm,
that's different when you at on Crystal Hotel
yeah.
and just like kid training like you really like you just have done the test and when
Mm-mm.
you don't when you not yet have done the test you just like you could get like apa marah kak marah
Anger.
dimarahin sorry.
Anger makanya. Anger
Oh
tuh dimarahin. Angry
like
tuh marah. Anger tuh
yeah
dimarahin.
you get like angry on the senior
Oke.
so that's my experience at the time daily worker and training daily worker on Union Daily and training on Crystal Hotel. That's so much.
Okay, so let's me. I will make it clear because a little bit. It was I can understand what you say it, but little bit agak keliling-keliling dikit. Tapi paham kok. Aku paham, aman, kalem. Okay, so about your experience at Crystal. So you learn at the patisserie or culinary department. You know, like in kitchen as general, or
So
specific at pastry and bakery.
sorry, my I really forgot about that. I my two time it's pastry daily worker and my daily worker and training it's pastry.
Focus on pastry, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so could you give me explanation of several of menu pastry? Can you make it?
The menu of pastry I really not really much but I could tell like maybe I could make like basic spawn as in
Sponge, yeah.
spawn and cake and basic cream like whipped cream like almond cream like everything cream I really know and the basic bakery I really know about make croissant and
Croissant, croissant.
croissant.
Yeah.
I really know make croissant and bread sweet roll bread and hard bread hard
Mm-mm.
roll
Neutral
and yeah, cookies and so many
type of
um
them. Etc. tuh dan lain-lain.
yeah
Etc. Oke. Oke, so we'll learn about randomized questions again ya. Ini ada pertanyaan random. Did you know about the Ministry of Tourism, Russia?
what ministry
Of Tourism, Menteri Pariwisata.
um Ministry of Tourism I really don't know because
Oke.
I didn't follow the politics or something
Oh,
like
oke.
that
Okay, okay,
But
no problem. No problem. You'll find it was just random questions. Yeah.
yeah.
So, uh, Sandiaga Uno has been left the last year ya, udah selesai tahun lalu. So
Oh,
we have a
so
new ministry. Ada menteri baru sekarang. Okay, let's we move to next topic. It's about the future Russia. Yeah. So what happened at the future after you
uh,
graduate from Poltekbar and Hai Bandung?
all right. My future at when I graduate Politeknik and High Bandung, I'm really continue to the pastry probably,
Hmm?
and my dream I wanna work at Japan. I wanna
Oh,
work at the mini Japan, French. That's so much. That's so much good pastry when you, as you know, like the French has many good
yeah, yeah.
croissant, has
Uh-huh.
many good bread.
Hard roll. Hard roll.
Uh,
Okay, okay, okay. I get your
there's
point, Rasya.
sometimes
Uh-huh. So at the plan, we have you ever creating some business before, Rasya?
no, I'm not making a business, but probably my parents may making a business.
Oh, your parents? What the business in your parents?
My parents, it's like mm, what I call it. Like I really don't know what they do, but
Okay, fine,
I
fine.
really
No,
don't.
no, no problem. I mean that was
But
like pastry or bakery or no gitu. Maksudnya mungkin di dunia
oh no,
pariwisata. Oh, bukan ya. Oh, bisnis yang lain lah.
no, but culinary.
Oh, kulineri
I
juga.
they are seller dim sum.
Oh,
Like
dimsum. Iya, iya, iya. I know. Kalau dimsum, ya itu kuliner itu.
it's not culinary or that's culinary, right?
Yes, culinary from Korea, yeah, dim sum.
Yep. All right.
So, that's all of our questions. We have several feedback to Rasya Carlos ya. So, kita ada beberapa masukan ya. Ya, santai, santai, kalem, kalem. It is no problem. This is was the first of all. Ini mungkin pertama kali bagi Rasya untuk interview in using in English, of course, apalagi pakai bahasa Inggris ya. So, I think your English sih sebenarnya bisa dipahami, Rasya. Untuk bahasa Inggris bisa dipahami, cuman several of notes-nya, beberapa catatannya bisa dipahami, tapi harus lumayan apa ya, lama mikirnya untuk bisa dipahami, gitu ya. Jadi
Okay, okay,
jadi Rasya, saran kakak tuh coba ditulis dulu. Coba ditulis
Hmm.
apa yang mau disampaikan. Contohnya tadi kan introducing, perkenalan dirinya tuh terlalu detail. Misalkan sampai nama jalan tuh
Oh,
itu
okay.
jangan nggak usah. Mungkin sampai di mungkin desa atau kecamatan aja udah cukup gitu ya.
Okay,
Terus jadi nanti introducingnya fokus on yourself gitu ya. Kemampuan diri sendiri apa, hobinya apa itu masih bisa dimasukkan. Ini mau dicatat dulu, boleh.
yeah, boleh.
Oke. Oke. Jadi nanti Englishnya itu sebaiknya Rasya tulis dulu. I think kayaknya tadi tuh kebanyakan improvisasi kayaknya tadi tuh. Banyak improvisasi. Tapi nggak apa-apa, bagus. Artinya Rasya sedang mengolah kata lah tadi tuh.
Nah, iya itu paling sih.
Iya, sedang mencari kata-kata ini translate-nya katanya apa sih ini apa sih gitu. Artinya ya untuk biar lebih matang, artinya biar lebih cepat untuk nemu katanya, sebaiknya ditulis dulu gitu ya.
Hmm.
Misalkan pertanyaannya ini, jawabannya ini itu udah ditulis dulu in English gitu ya, biar lebih mudah untuk disampaikan. Terus tadi introduction-nya, terus nah tadi ada reason nih, alasan. Alasan
Hmm.
Rasya balik lagi ke dunia pariwisata atau melanjutkan kuliah gitu ya. Ada kata you say don't know tadi ya. Nggak tahu juga sih sebenarnya alasannya. Mungkin
Oh,
nggak sadar nyebut don't know juga.
uh,
I don't know. I mean it was like mungkin itu kata-kata yang mohon untuk tidak dikeluarkan.
oh
Don't
ya.
know itu, apalagi untuk alasan gitu ya. Itu kan hal yang mendasar gitu ya. Kenapa alasan kita memilih kuliah, alasan kita ngambil dunia pariwisata lagi. Untuk kata don't know ataupun I don't know tuh please don't, jangan sampai keluar gitu ya. Terutama untuk alasan. Oke, jadi kalau untuk alasan mungkin tadi rasanya coba ngejelasin ya kalau misalkan di dunia agak panjang sih tapi nggak apa-apa. Di dunia pariwisata nih rasanya ketemu ininya lah, ketemu kecintaannya gitu, ketemu
Hmm,
passionnya lah ketika training tadi kan rasanya mencoba untuk ngejelasin itu sebenarnya cuman agak panjang sih dikit. Mungkin mungkin nanti diperes gitu ya. Jadi
hmm,
ditulis
hmm.
dulu alasan ngambil dunia pariwisata nih apa. Mungkin memang tadi back on your passions. I found my passion at
Ya.
my training at Crystal Hotel. I met with a lot of expert chef or baker di
Oh,
sana mungkin yang mungkin bikin rahasia terinspirasi itu bisa jadi alasan gitu ya.
oh ya.
Oke, terus tadi agak kesusahan sih mungkin tadi ya untuk ngejelasin tapi itulah mungkin bisa di write down dulu ya, ditulis dulu pakai bahasa Inggrisnya, disesuaikan terus coba dibaca-baca lagi. Terus tadi tuh ada masalah menu ya Rasya ya. Ah, ah,
Menu.
masalah
Hmm.
menu. Sebaiknya Rasya punya ya persiapan satu menu lah untuk pastry atau bakery gitu bebas lah mau bikin roll cake lah mau bikin croissant lah. Jadi menu tuh kan resep gitu ya dari ingredients sama how to
Oh iya.
make-nya gitu ya. Jadi siapkanlah satu atau dua. Oke, terus tadi masalah experience ya. Rahasia tadi kan trying hard lah. Capek banget tuh ngejelasin gimana kerjaan di hotel. So, ya namanya juga baru pertama, jadi aku nggak kenapa-napa lah, santai lah. Itu memang belajar lah, kita belajar dari kesalahan. So, tadi untuk masalah experience, rahasia sebaiknya give the inilah namanya sequence ataupun timeline. Jadi
Oh,
bulan pertama in the first month at the Crystal Hotel, Rasya diajarin apa gitu. Ya,
oh iya.
Rasya learn about mungkin diajarin masalah what is difference between pastry and bakery gitu. Oke, atau mungkin diajarin baker atau I don't know gitu ya. In the first one, misalkan 1 and 2 month ditaruh untuk mungkin sekedar preparation doang gitu ya, preparation bahan. Nah, terus nanti bulan ketiga dan keempat Rasya diminta untuk udah bikin croissant mungkin udah bikin beberapa roti-rotian mungkin. Nah, bulan kelima enam Rasya udah dikasih kesempatan untuk handle ini misalkan kalau di pastry bakery kan biasanya punya stall sendiri ya. Kalau di event misalkan ada wedding punya stall, disuruh handle stall sendiri gitu ya untuk display biasanya kan, display cake and pastry and bakery-nya gitu. Jadi dibikin timeline biar pas bercerita nggak ini, nggak loncat-loncat gitu, biar nggak kemana-mana. Oke?
Ya.
Terus about that skill ya.
Hmm.
Nanti Rasya list beberapa skill yang dipelajari juga di dunia pariwisata di Crystal Hotel gitu ya. Dapat dapat ilmu apa aja sih sana gitu. Entah mungkin
Hmm.
ngatur suhu open juga ilmu itu. You know like a little bit pieces of mulai dari hal-hal kecil juga memang ilmu kan. Mulai dari manajemen waktu mungkin di sana.
Ya,
Terutama
ya.
bagian proving-provingan kan lumayan nih masalah waktu kan, suhu dan seterusnya. Terus mhm, udah satu dua tiga. On the future ya. Kalau untuk masa depan tadi Rasya rencananya mau ke luar negeri ya.
Hmm.
We call that working abroad.
Oh, working.
Working abroad artinya kerja di luar negeri. Working abroad.
Hmm.
You will working abroad at Japan. Ya mungkin kerja di Jepang tadi Rasya bilang or France ya di Perancis. Oke. Terus tadi masalah bisnis sih sebenarnya about your parents it was no nggak apa-apa sih untuk explain gitu ya kalau misalkan ada bisnis keluarga. Kalau emang Rasya
Oh,
juga bantuin ya. Tapi kalau nggak bantuin juga, tapi pasti bantuin dong. Nggak mungkin nggak sih masa. Wah bikin dim sama tinggal dilipat-lipat aja. Enggak sih ribet juga sih bikin dimsum. Oke, I think that's all. Rasya kalau misalkan ada pertanyaan boleh. Kita masih ada sisa, like 5 minutes kayaknya.
ini sih Kak.
Hmm.
Tapi tadi cara kosakatanya tuh gimana ya?
Mm-mm.
Ini aku ngerasa kosakatanya tuh antar temen gitu, kosakatanya nggak bagus misalnya kalau buat ke ntar interview sama.
Iya, paham paham. Ah, itu level level bahasa namanya. Ada level bahasa yang dipakai untuk sesama teman, ada level bahasa yang dipakai untuk yang lebih senior gitu. But I hope that sebenarnya kalau kalau saya ini ya anggaplah saya interviewer ya. Kalau saya sih fine fine aja karena memang mungkin Rasya nggak terlalu fokus di bahasa Inggris, ya. Artinya memang bukan bidangnya untuk bahasa, tapi at least can communicate first, ya. Bisa dikomunikasikan itu. Makanya tak minta untuk write down, nanti Rasya baca sendiri kalimat-kalimatnya nih. Sesuai nggak gitu. Kira-kira nih ada bapak-bapak umur 50 tahun, ada chef umur 50 tahun, tapi bilang kalimat ini gitu. Itu akan lebih apa ya? Nanti Rasya juga bisa ngatur lah, ngatur penggunaan
Hmm,
katanya karena kan udah ada konsep, udah ditulis sebelumnya gitu. Tapi kalau misalkan as being communicate sih udah oke kok. Hanya untuk saling memahami gitu ya. Misalkan Rasya yang bilang tadi udah paham, cuma memang agak muter-muter gitu. Dan itu
itu.
nanti kurangnya nanti di waktu biasanya ya karena muter-muter lama nih, lama biasanya di cut ya karena mungkin ada pertanyaan, bahkan mungkin ada pertanyaan yang nggak bisa ditanyakan karena waktu gitu kan, yang lain pada nunggu nih. Yang lain pada nunggu nih, nggak mungkin dibiarin sampai selesai gitu, pasti ada time
Ya, ya,
limit sendiri gitu. Apalagi sih.
ya berarti harus lebih dirangkum ya Kak. Tadi tuh muter-muter banget.
Iya, ya, paham lah, udah paham lah apa yang disebut tadi, udah paham ya. Ini videonya kita record juga, jadi Rasya bisa nonton sendiri lah. Oh, kenapa saya gitu ya? Biasa itu biasa. Ada lagi,
Ya sih Kak. Oke, oke.
aman ya? Oke, siap. Prepare yourself for a scholastic ya. Persiapan untuk scholastic, terus persiapan juga untuk wawancara. Waktu kita tinggal 5 weeks ya. Tinggal 5 minggu lagi. Gak kerasa, bentar lagi kita udah menghadapi ujian yang sebenarnya for SBM. Oke, tetap semangat Rasya ya. The last maybe this video want to being upload or just keep it for yourself?
Terserah sih Kak.
Oh,
Enak
asik.
apa.
Terserah. Ini mau disimpan diri ke diri sendiri apa mau diupload ke YouTube nih?
Boleh upload YouTube dah gas. Biar
Yuk, upload nih. Luar biasa. Ini buat
gas.
pembelajaran yang lain nih. Siap, siap. Baik banget sih Rasya. Siap. Thank you so much Rasya for your decision. I will give you send your the link first. Oke. That's all. Rasya kalau misalkan ada pertanyaan bisa di chat aja via personal chat ya. Thank you Rasya. Selamat malam dan terima kasih. Assalamualaikum. Ya.
Ya. Nah.